Hey there, Matan from DoiT here. We've got some amazing updates for our RAM plans feature that I'm going to show you right now. If you're not familiar with RAM plans give you a simple way to visualize, manage, and track your actual spend versus any cloud commitments that you've made. So the first thing you might have noticed is the new UI for RAM plans. First, on the actual RAM plans page, where if you had multiple RAM plans, you can visualize and see them all in one glance. You can see the essential details like the time remaining, the commitment value, what you spent today and what you have remaining, as well as view that spend in this interactive graph. Next thing is if you actually click into one of your RAM plans, you'll notice the UI changed with these widgets at the top. When we forecast you to reach your commitment, again, where you're at to date versus what you need to spend, and also the contract duration. So how long do you have to reach that commitment? Even bigger of a change than the new UI, RAM plans are now based on attributions instead of invoices. This gives you a lot more flexibility around customizing your RAM plans. By default, all RAM plans will be based on an attribution group made up of two attributions. One that covers services, which are covered in the majority of cases for commitments, and another that covers marketplace purchases. Additionally, each cloud provider treats marketplace purchases differently when it comes to how much of it can count against a commitment. Those cloud-specific considerations are also automatically taken into account for RAM plans. For example, if I wanted my RAM plan to just cover a specific set of Google Cloud billing accounts, all I'd have to do is duplicate the services 100% covered attribution and modify it to include these specific billing accounts. Another thing we added to RAM plans here is this View Total Spend Breakdown button. This will tell you the top 10 services or marketplace purchases that contributed to your commitment drawdown and what percentage of the total spend do they make up. And so in this case, we can see all Google Cloud services, and that just gives you more context as to what is helping you draw down your commitment. Another big update that we added here is we made it much easier to modify any future planned spend after you already created the RAM plan. In the past, you'd have to download your RAM plan as a CSV and then re-upload it with your new growth projections. Now, all you have to do is click on this Edit Plan Spend button and build growth in. If you wanted to add 5% every month, all you have to do is select that, click Edit Plan Spend, and that's reflected now in your RAM plan. The final update is the RAM plan widget. This is a new widget available in your widget library that you can add to any dashboard in the DoiT console. And that way, right when you log in and you're viewing your dashboard, you can immediately get some context around how you're doing versus your RAM plans. And if needed, navigate to that RAM plan to dig deeper into the numbers. We built RAM plans to be your reliable go-to source for seeing how you're tracking versus your spend commitments. And with these updates, we're sure that we took a giant step forward in that direction. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next product update.